beauties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a Fenty Beauty Matchstick Glam. Remember those matchsticks we bought last week for $12.50 a piece? Today we're going to try to do an entire look with just the matchsticks. So first we're going to start out with my new True Matte Pro Filt'r Mattifying Primer by Fenty Beauty as well. I'm just going to put that all over my face. We're going to see how this does. You guys don't have a primer struggle. Then we're going to go in with the shade Walnut. And this is a matte look. They call this a skin stick. So I just kind of put it all over my face. Like, I'm using like a foundation. So this is the kind of look I kind of go for when your friends call. Like, hey girl, we're around the corner. We're going to pick you up. And you don't really have that much time for like a full face routine to really do all the baking and all the different types of products. So, or this is a, these matchsticks can be tossed in your overnight bag. Let's say you don't have a lot of luggage space. Like for instance, I was supposed to be at Coachella today. These are this kind of makeup I would travel with because it's small, it's condensed, it's not messy, and it's easy to keep up with. So I just put this all over my face. I use a beauty blender to kind of blend it out all over. Alright, and now we're going to go in with the lighter shade. This shade is called Maple. And again, this is another mattifying shade. We're going to use this shade to give our highlight. And we're going to take our beauty blender in and kind of blend it out. So we go, as usual, underneath the eyes, down the nose, on the forehead. A little on the chin, and we'll just blend that out, and it blends out real nicely. All these colors are going very smooth, I think. So then we're going with my favorite, Truffle, and we're gonna contour like we always do. And we'll do our nose and our jowls for the fluffy, and then we're just gonna blend it out. And make sure you get around the hairline. And we'll blend it in very nicely there. And I feel like sometimes with my contour, I lose my highlight a bit. So I just go back and re-highlight the area on my nose. Everything's blending very well. Looks good. So now we're going to transition to do our eyes. I like to lay a foundation. And then so we're going to pick up, this is the same maple that we use to highlight. And I'm just going to use it like a base for my eyes. And then we're going to blend, because it's a cream and not a powder. I was really concerned about how it blended all together because it can really look harsh. So now we're going to go in with Cognac. And this is a Shimmer skin matchstick. So I'm going to go in with the brush and then just kind of lay the side of the eye. Kind of bring that color. The top of the lid on the outside. And then we're going to go back with some French Vanilla, which is a very light shade. And I was concerned that I wasn't going to be able to use it. And I go in with like a flat, like concealer brush almost. And then I apply this on the lid to give us like that pop of color on the inner lid that I like so much. And I put it on my hand so it can kind of warm up and smooth. And then I think sometimes I try to use it straight from the matchstick and it doesn't go on as well. And I think once I smooth it on my hand and kind of warm it up and kind of get a lot of product laid on my hand, then it really applies much better. Alright, now this is one of the lighter shades. This is a Shimmer skin stick. I think it's pronounced Bordeaux Brat. It is kind of like a burgundy-ish color. And I just wanted to kind of use this shade to kind of bring the two colors together. I was trying to look for the right brush. The fact that it's a cream kind of makes it a little bit more challenging because you can't really use a super fluffy brush. You got to use something that'll blend. So I kind of wanted to blend the two colors together but not lose that light lid color. So I kind of went back and made sure we didn't lose that light lid color, that French vanilla. And then we'll use our same old. This is the only thing in the store today that is not by Fenty. This is my brow pencil by Benefit. I don't own any brow product from Fenty, so we just couldn't leave the brows looking raggedy. So we just did what we usually do. So I follow, Rihanna has one makeup artist that really like pushes the product and is like the makeup artist for the brand. And this is how she applies the makeup on the models. A lot of times she'll apply the matchstick to her hand and kind of warm it up and then apply it to the face. So that's kind of where I picked up this concept of applying the makeup for the matchstick. And then now we're going to take another smaller flat brush and then I'll go back in. This is an old Walnut that I have from before, and I'm just gonna kind of just cut the brow to make it look precise. You guys, I waxed my own eyebrows today. That is that piece of wax hanging on the side of my face over there. It was an adventure, but I think it turned out better than I thought it was. So and we just kind of make sure the brows are shaped nicely. And then we'll go in with our eyeliner. This is a Longwear liquid eyeliner, the Flyliner by Fenty Beauty, called Cause I'm Black. It is the kind of liner that I like. It's like a pen, but this liner, it's supposed to have a tip that like never goes dull. Maybe I just push too hard, but sometimes it just doesn't apply the way I hope it does. But I've had it for a while. I've had this since maybe last year and I've used it a bit. So I had to shake it a couple times and then it finally applied the way I wanted it to. It actually gave me a pretty nice wing today. But this line, like I said before, because my eyes crease really bad, it's not a Longwear eyeliner for me. I think it looks okay. And then we'll go with our last Fenty product for today. This is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Cause I'm Black Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. Now this is their new mascara, and it's got a really unique brush where like one side is flat and one side is like a regular it's like a regular mascara brush. Now I'm very heavy-handed with the mascara. I have eyelashes, but they stick straight out. They don't curl. I don't feel like they really do justice to my tiny eyes. So I apply lots and lots of mascara. I have learned over the years that mascara is a buildable product. If you apply a good amount, let it dry, and then go back and apply more, then you get a fuller look. So then we're gonna go back in with that burgundy shade and use it like a blush. So I applied this in my hand, kind of on top of everything else. I've actually just been using that same spot on my hand over and over again. It's been doing fine. And I use like a foundation brush because I wanted it to be a little stiffer to pick up the pigment. And then I go back with the Cognac, and then I create like a bronzer look because it was a brown shimmer, and I think it went well. So then we're gonna try for the lip. I've actually never tried these as a lipstick, so I wasn't really sure how to apply it, so I just went in. So I chose the Cognac because you guys know I love a dark lip. It went on okay. I feel like for my peak of my bow there, I needed to just kind of, because it's not a stick, it's like a lip gloss stick. I feel like I needed to really get the color in the right spot. And then I kind of went back with more mascara. I don't know if you can tell, but you see the more layers I apply, the bigger the lash, the longer the lash looks. Well, at least for my eye it does. I usually wear fake eyelashes when I do a full face, but I wanted you guys to see. And I always get some on my lid. And then if you just take the brush that you use to kind of blend and buff it out, it usually just goes right away. See, did it again. Just buff it out. And then I go in the middle here with a little Truffle because I wanted it to be a little darker. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good. This is my matchstick look for today. It didn't take very long. I love these products and how versatile they are. They can be eyeshadow, they can be blush, they can be anything you want. And look how cute that is. All that can fit in a cute little makeup bag on the go. And you know, we had our one product that wasn't Fenty. But thank you guys for watching. As always, remember to like, share, and subscribe.